In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add any song to Spotify, whether it's from your own music library or a third-party source. Let's jump right in. First, unlock your phone and open the Spotify app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, tap on Home page at the bottom left corner. Then go to your profile and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Local Files. Toggle it on to enable adding songs from your device. You can choose to add from music, Apple Music, iTunes, or specific folders on your device. Select the sources you want to include. This will let Spotify access these songs. Now go back to the main screen and tap on your library at the bottom right. Then tap on Local Files to see the songs you've just added. If you want to organize your local songs, you can create a new playlist. You can simply tap on Create a New Playlist and choose your newly created playlist. Simply give it a name, and that's it. You've successfully added any song to Spotify.